Nearly 2 crore people take holy dip on a mega Purnima at Mahakumbh. Over 2 crore people took a holy dip in Mahakumbh on the occasion of Mahapurnima on Wednesday. According to a state government, the footfall on Wednesday stood at 1.95 crore until 8 p.m. and over 48.29 crore people have taken the holy dip to date. The turnout for a scared bath was unexpectedly high, additional fair officer Vivek Chaturvedi said. Lemon Tree signed a franchise for new hotel in Moga, Punjab. Lemon Tree Hotels has signed a franchise agreement for a new property under its key Light brand in Moga, Punjab. Hotel will have 30 rooms, restaurant, terrace, lague, a meeting room, a banquet hall, and a fitness center. It is expected to start operation in final year 2026. Lemon Tree record third quarter revenue at 355.8 rupees crore, reflecting a 22% YO growth. Government list reasons for reviewing Income Tax Act 1961. The government has listed the reasons of reviewing the Income Tax Act 1961 after Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman introduced to new Income Tax Bill 2025 in the Lok Sabha. The government cited that the act had become intricate over time with amendment. The act being voluminous, its elaborate structure and intricate legal language also lead to the review. Jupiter Jupiter Vangus land 600 crore rupees work under from Adani Cement Group. Jupiter Wagons has secure an order worth 600 rupees crore from Ambuja Cement and SSC Limited, both part of the Adani Cement Group. The contract involves manufacturing and supplying BCMCM Rex wagons. Jupiter Wagons is engaged in the business of manufacturing railway wagon components, castings, metal fabrication comprising load bodies for commercial vehicle and rail freight wagons. What remains unchanged under new income tax bill? The new income tax bill tabled by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Thursday has introduced no changes in tax slabs as per a list shared by the Income Tax Department. The bill also doesn't change key word and phrases defined in court rulings. The department further added that the bill maintains certainty of tax law provisions for all. What is the new RCB captain Rajat Patidar net worth? 11 11 crore rupees ahead. Okay, next. Ola consumers final year 2024 loss declines 57% to 329 crore rupees. IPO bond Ola customer parent ANI Technology reported as 57.46% decline in its consolidated net loss to 328.5 crore rupees in the financial year 2023 to 2024 from 772.2 crore rupees in the previous fiscal year. The decline in loss come on the back of a sharp 42.28% reduction in employee benefit expenses. HAL clocks a 14% jump in third quarter net profit at 1,440 crore rupees. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) on Wednesday reported a robust 14% increase in consolidated net profit at 440 crore rupees for the October-December quarter of the current financial year, compared to the corresponding figure of 1,261 crore rupees in the same period of 2023 to 2024. HL revenue from operations registered a double-digit growth of 15% to 6,957 crore rupees compared to 6,061 crore rupees in third quarter final year 24. FM said income tax will be simple. It's more complex. Congress leader Manish Tiwari said Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had started new income tax bill 2025 will be simpler, but it is more complex than the previous one. He added previous bill had 296 sections and 5 schedules, while new bill has over 500 sections and 14 schedules. Sitharaman introduced new income tax bill 2025 in Lok Sabha on Thursday. Kirloskar brother report robust third quarter final year 2024 to 2025 earnings. Kirloskar Brother Limited (KBL), a prominent name in a fluid management solution sector, has announced its financial performance for third quarter of final year 2024 to 25 ending December 31st, 2024. Net worth surged by 43.8% to 118.5 crore rupees compared to 82.4 crore rupees in the same quarter year ago. Revenue from operation increased by 18.5% year-of-year to 1,144.2 crore rupees, up from 964.8 crore rupees. How is new income tax bill different from old income tax act? New income tax bill 2025 has 622 pages, 6.6 lakh words, 23 chapters, 536 sections, 57 tables, and 0 previous and complaints. In comparison, the Income Tax Act 1961, being followed currently, has 823 pages, 5.12 lakh words, 47 chapters, 819 sections, 18 tables, and several previous and explanation. Tax year replace the concept of assessment years in new bill.